new toy.
Lift your head up.
You got
Taylor, what do you think?
your own motorcycle. Tay-Tay's motorcycle.
Tay-Tay's got a motorcycle.
All right, get on.
Like Papa.
Get on.
Here, watch out, Drew.
Put your feet up. Put your feet up. Right here.
She's trying to push it.
All right, now push the button.
Hold on.
Hold on and push the button. Hold on. Now look, take your thumb. Leave your hand on and take your thumb and do it.
What do you think?
There you go. Now do it. Now hold it.
You're doing good.
Hold your finger there. Now look. Watch. Hold on. Take your thumb and
Daddy's gonna help you.
push it. Push it, Tay-Tay. Push it. You gotta push it.
Taylor, good job.
You gotta push it.
Look at Tay-Tay go.
Tay-Tay's here. Tay-Tay's here. Here, push your finger. Put your finger on it. Push it. Push it in.
Good job, Tay-Tay.
Push the button in. Push it in.
Hold it. You gotta hold it. Like, hold the button in. Hold it.
Hold it in.
She'll get it. She'll get it. Go, Tay-Tay, push it. Push
You don't
it.
have to.
She'll get it. She'll get it. Just let her figure it out.
Push the button in.
Push it in.
She looks a little scared.
Push the button in.
Here, I'll help you.
Taylor, you're doing so awesome. She likes it, but she wants you with her. Yeah, I'm out of here.
All right, let's turn around.
It's purple, that's right. Well, no, keep going.
All right, let's go to Papa. Push it. Let her get it. She'll figure it out. Keep it pushed in. Keep it pushed in. You gotta push it in.
Here, watch. Yeah.
Is it too hard for her to push?
There you go.
There you go. Yay!
Look at her shaking.
You do it. Keep it. Hold it down. Hold it down. Keep it on there. Keep going. There you go. You got it. Hold it. Go. Go. You got it. You're doing it.
You're doing good. Go, Taylor!
Here. Tay-Tay does it. Tay-Tay does it. Hold it in. Tay-Tay does it.
She wants to rock it.
There you go.
You're
Keep
doing
it
good,
pushing.
baby girl.
She's like, I can push this button.
Look forward.
Ride it to Papa. Ride it down here to me. Come
Your
down here.
own motorcycle.
Push the button.
Go, Taylor.
Good job.
She's like, what is that behind me?
Turn your wheel.
You're doing
Turn
good.
your Don't touch it, Daddy. Hold on. Push the button.
You want mommy to do it?